The myriad of skin tones and eye colors that humans express around the world are interesting and wonderful in their variety. Research continues on how humans acquired the trait they now have and when, in order to complete the puzzle that is our ancient human history. Now, a recent analysis by anthropologists suggests that the light skin color and the tallness associated with European genetics are relatively recent traits to the continent. An international team of researchers is headed by Harvard University's Dr. Ian Matheson put forth a study at the 84th annual meeting of the American Association of Physical Anthropologists recently. Based on 83 human samples from Holocene Europe as analyzed under the 1000 Genomes Project, it is now found that for the majority of the time that humans have lived in Europe, the people had dark skin, and the genes signifying light skin only appear within the past 8,000 years. This recent and relatively quick process of natural selection suggests to researchers that the traits which spread rapidly were advantageous within that environment, according to the American Association for the Advancement of Science. This dramatic evidence suggests modern Europeans do not appear as their long ancient ancestors did. Scientists do not specify in the study why the genes were favored and spread as quickly as they did, but it is suggested that vitamin D absorption likely played a role. Ancient hunter-gatherers in Europe also could not digest milk 8,000 years ago. The ability to do so only came about 4,300 years ago. Paleoanthropologist of Pennsylvania State University notes that people in less sunny climates required different skin pigmentations in order to absorb and synthesize vitamin D. The pale skin was advantageous in the region, as well was the ability to digest milk. Natural selection has favored two genetic solutions to that problem, evolving pale skin that absorbs UV more efficiently or favoring lactose tolerance to be able to digest the sugars and vitamin D naturally found in milk. This new research follows related studies on pre-agricultural European genomes and modern humans in Europe before the rise of farming. DNA taken from the wisdom tooth of a 7,000-year-old human found in Spain in 2006, overturned the popular image of light-skinned European hunter-gatherers. The study revealed that the individual had dark hair and the dark skin genes of an African. However, the man had blue eyes, an unexpected find by researchers. The hunter-gatherer is the oldest known individual in Europe found to have blue eyes. Previous research published in 2008 found that the earliest mutations in the eye color genes that led to the evolution of blue eyes probably occurred about 10,000 years ago in individuals living in around the Black Sea. The surprising aspect of the findings is that while it is fundamental to natural selection that advantageous genetic attributes spread, it is not often a speedy process. The study shows that these genetic pale skin traits swept across Europe speedily, and that phenomenon is of particular interest to researchers. These new findings shed light on humanity's genetic past, giving us a clearer vision of our ancient origins.